Welcome to the future of fleet management. Introducing the Enterprise Trucking Suite, the all-in-one digital command center built for trucking professionals who don't settle for average. Let's dive right in. Whether you're a one-truck operation or managing an entire fleet, this suite was engineered to give you total control, eliminate paperwork headaches, and streamline your day-to-day operations. Inside, you'll find powerful tools like automatic compliance calendar, IRS-compliant mileage logs, real-time profit trackers, driver settlement modules, CRM systems, and so much more, all under one digital roof. Built by trucking professionals, for trucking professionals, this suite doesn't just organize your data, it unlocks your business potential. So whether you're scaling up, getting started, or looking to run leaner and smarter, the Enterprise Trucking Suite is your competitive advantage. Now, the thing that makes this Excel suite stand out from the rest of the pack is the global data sheet. On this sheet, you can change, delete, or add new information, and the sheet saves and automatically updates the respective categories on each sheet for the entire workbook. This will conclude the introduction to the Enterprise Trucking Suite by J.O.A.T Solutions, LLC. Thank you. See you next time. J.O.A.T Solutions, LLC. Master every mile.